I finally managed to cop some heat for retail, and it just so happens to be one of the dopest releases of the year. What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy JD coming at you with yet another review, and in my hands today I have the Nike Sacai Blazer in this white and wolf gray colorway. If this is your first time on the channel, my name is Josh. Most people call me JD, and if you enjoy honest sneaker reviews, sneaker content, all that good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a like if you enjoy the content. And especially all my viewers out there who've been watching my videos for a while, make sure you drop a like on the videos. You know, it boosts my videos up that YouTube algorithm, that all important algorithm. So it gets my videos out there, really helps out the channel. So of course, please drop a like if you enjoyed the video, guys. And of course, follow me on Instagram. As always, the handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Make sure you follow your boy. I do drop a lot of sneaker content on there as well. Now let's get into the video. So if you've been following my sneaker channel for a while, you know I've been talking about this pair pretty much since the beginning of the year. I've been talking about how I couldn't wait to cop the Nike Sacai Blazer, just because, at least in pictures, I thought these shoes looked absolutely sick. I missed out on the first release, the black and blue pair, and also that yellow, red and white pair, that Ralph Lauren Snow Beach colorway. And to be honest, I wasn't entirely feeling either of those colorways. There was just maybe a bit too much going on there. And when I saw that this shoe was dropping in these two more muted colorways, the black and the white, I was really hoping I would get either one of them. I think both of them are sick, but thankfully, for the first time since what feels like forever, and actually the last time I got a sneaker for retail was all the way back in May when I copped the Travis Scott Jordan 1s for retail, the highs. So it's basically been like 6 months, well, I don't know, I lost count. It's been a lot of months since I have copped a sneaker for retail. And drop a like if you feel me on that one. It's been so hard this year to cop anything for retail. Last year, I feel like I was copping pretty much everything for retail, but this year it's been so hard. And I know a lot of you guys like to blame the bots for that, but I don't even think the bots are the issue. I think it's the fact that all these sneaker boutiques are backdooring all their pairs to the resellers. But I don't want to talk about that in this video. But anyways, that's just my thoughts. So thank you, sneaker gods, for watching my videos and knowing that I've been talking about this pair for a while and allowing me to hit on the raffle. I won this pair from Naked, which is a sneaker boutique based in Denmark. So shout out to Naked for the raffle win. So as with previous Sacai Nike collabs, like for example, that Waffle Racer, this pair right here is also a combination of two shoes, and those two shoes are these. So it's a combination of a regular Nike Blazer as well as a Nike Dunk High. Oh, by the way, this is a Dunk High that I picked up very recently, like a couple weeks ago, in this dope brown colorway. I just really like the colorway, so I had to cop it. If you guys wanted to see a review of this sneaker, I will drop a video on that as well. However, this blazer, the Nike Sacai Blazers, are a combo of these two pairs right here, and we'll get more into that. One of the dopest features of this shoe right here, in my opinion, is this lace collar. So there are two lace collars on this sneaker. So the lace collar on the bottom layer is basically from a Nike Blazer, a regular Nike Blazer. And on top, this kind of like zigzag pattern lace collar you have right here is from the Nike Dunk that I mentioned before. The toe box of this sneaker is done in this pale gray color. And the laces, so one of the signature features of this sneaker is the fact that it has two different colors of laces. So basically on this pair, I have combined the sail color as well as the gray color laces. They didn't come like this, so this sneaker actually came default laced with the sail pair as well as a regular white pair of laces. But I removed the white pair and instead put in these gray laces right here, just because I think it adds a nice little pop of color and it just looks way doper in my opinion. The tongue of this sneaker, so of course you got that signature Sacai feature this year, which is that double of everything, seeing double. So you can see like we got two tongues here. The one on the front just has a regular Nike label, and the one on the back says Nike Sacai. Visually, the illest thing about this shoe is probably the dope double swoosh action you got going on either side of the shoe. You got a white as well as a pale gray shoe, wolf gray actually. And if there was one thing I would probably change about it is I would probably put the wolf gray swoosh on top and the white gray swoosh at the bottom, just to give it an even bigger pop of color. Actually, I just noticed that these swooshes also come from the two different shoes that the shoe is inspired from. This thick swoosh right here on top, the white one, definitely comes from a regular Blazer, and that thinner swoosh at the bottom is from a Nike Dunk. You can see that right here. So you got the Blazer with the thick swoosh and the thin swoosh here with the Nike Dunk. The outsole of this sneaker is just insane. So you got this wrap that covers pretty much the entire outsole, and you got some extra straps, some extra patches of wrap pretty much kind of like sticking out of the shoe, sticking out of the outsole. And of course the back here is just insane. So I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different wraps here at the back. And you might not see this on camera, but it's actually not the same color. You can see that there's a white, and then it moves up to a sail wrap over here. Yeah, pretty dope, pretty nice little subtle hit of color there. This is probably my least favorite part of the shoe though, just because it just looks like kind of not very well put together, and there is a lot, and I mean a lot of glue stains here. So just not it looks like kind of like a patchwork type of job. And there's just a ton of glue stains. I can count like about 5 glue stains I see here just on my right pair. So yeah, and yeah, this shoe definitely smells like glue. Mans can get high just smelling this shoe. Looking at the bottom of the sneaker, you got that nice herringbone pattern done in a gum outsole. You know we love gum outsoles. You can't go wrong with a gum outsole. If we look at the back of this outsole though, you see that absolutely huge chunk of rubber there. Like, this is just gigantic. So that's just not something I've ever seen on a sneaker before. So yeah, you can have a closer look there. That is a huge chunk of rubber at the back of the sneaker. I gotta say guys, I love aesthetically how this shoe looks. I have been looking forward to getting this pair for so long now, and to finally actually get it for retail, I'm so happy about that. I actually love this colorway. Very, very clean. You can wear this, like this colorway, even though this shoe has a lot of things going on, you can easily rock this shoe with anything because the Blazer is just a silhouette that's very easy to rock to begin with. And of course, this very subtle, nice colorway. I love it, guys. One of my favorite, like this, definitely one of my favorite releases that I've been able to cop this year. I'm actually really shocked by the resale prices. Like Sacai has been the hype item this year. I mean, of course, we got those Travis collabs, but I mean, pretty much besides Travis, like the Sacai pairs are basically getting all the news, getting all the hype this year. So I'm very surprised by how low the resale prices are for these Blazers, these last 2 colorways that dropped. Especially if you're looking in the bigger sizes, like size 10 and 11, like my sizes, which is in size 11. They're so low, they're like $200, which is crazy. Like, and I would suggest you guys definitely copying it as soon as possible, because I think this shoe is a future classic, because this is such a signature looking shoe. Because when has there ever been another Nike sneaker with double swooshes besides those 2 Sacai pairs that came out this year? Going forward, I definitely think like these 2 Sacai collabs are going to be looked at as one of the most classic collabs with Nike. Just because like it's just so out there, and what Shitose Abe, who is the founder of Sacai, what she did with this collab is just absolutely sick. And I think like this is gonna be one of those classic shoes in sneaker history. So I definitely think the resale is way too low right now for what this shoe is. So I would go ahead and cop it if you guys haven't copped it yet. Important sizing information though before you guys do go ahead and cop it. So if you guys have watched my review of the regular pair of Nike Blazers right here, I did say in that review that the Nike Blazers for me fit true to size. However, this Sacai pair, I got it in my true size, and I gotta say, like, definitely there's way more room in the toe box. So if I had the opportunity, I would go down half a size from my true size, and that's what I suggest you guys do as well. I gotta say though, out of the 2 Sacai collabs that have dropped this year, I definitely prefer the waffle racers better, especially this green pair. This green pair is just so sick, and every time I wear this pair, I get compliments on it. Just a very dope pair of sneakers. Yeah, I just like the silhouette, I guess, of this pair better. However, honestly, like both of these collabs Sacai murdered it. Sacai killed it. I am a huge fan, and to me, this entire Sacai collaboration with Nike is definitely the collab of the year. Nike has even, I feel, stolen some of the design ideas from the Sacai pair and put it on some of their other recently released sneakers, like this pair right here, the Air Force One Shadows. You can see the double swooshes, the double tongue, and yeah, this is pretty much a knockoff of a Sacai design. By the way, if you guys do want to see the review of this pair, I will leave a link to that up here. Let me know how many of you guys got a W on this sneaker, or if you didn't get a W, how many of you guys were buying this for resale. Let me know down below. I want to know what you guys are buying as well. And let me know also, what did you think of this entire Sacai Nike collab? You guys know my thoughts on it. I absolutely love them, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think. That's pretty much my review, guys. Thank you so much once again for watching the video, and please, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. It really helps out the video, and of course, subscribe for more content. Follow me on the gram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Make sure you follow your boy. The on feed coming up right now. Until next time, guys, peace.